Jainism is an ancient Indian religion. It emphasizes non-violence and spiritual liberation. The name Jainism comes from the word Jina. Jina means conqueror. It refers to individuals who have conquered their inner passions and desires. These individuals, known as Tirthankaras, guide others on the path to enlightenment. Jainism traces its origins back to these Tirthankaras. They are believed to have achieved liberation through rigorous spiritual practices. Jainism teaches that the universe is eternal. It goes through cycles of creation and destruction. Souls, or jivas, are trapped in the cycle of birth, death, and rebirth. This is due to karma, which is the consequence of actions. Jainism emphasizes the importance of ethical conduct and self-discipline. This is to purify the soul and attain liberation, or moksha. The ultimate goal in Jainism is to break free from the cycle of samsara, or reincarnation. This is achieved through the threefold path of right belief, right knowledge, and right conduct. Tirthankaras are central figures in Jainism. The word Tirthankara means ford maker. They are like those who create a passage across a river. They show the way to cross the ocean of suffering and reach liberation. Each Tirthankara establishes the fourfold community. This consists of monks, nuns, laymen, and laywomen. They rediscover and teach the Jain path to liberation in every cosmic cycle. There have been 24 Tirthankaras in the present cosmic cycle. Each Tirthankara has specific symbols and attributes. These help devotees identify and connect with them. They are revered as role models of spiritual perfection and compassion. Tirthankaras are not considered gods or prophets. They are seen as teachers who have attained liberation through their own efforts. Mahavira was the 24th and last Tirthankara of the present age. Born in India in the 6th century BCE, he renounced a princely life to seek spiritual liberation. After 12 years of intense meditation and penance, he attained enlightenment. Mahavira became known as a Jina, or conqueror. He revitalized and systematized the Jain philosophy. Mahavira emphasized 5 main vows for his followers. These are non-violence, truthfulness, non-stealing, celibacy, and non-attachment. He stressed the importance of ahimsa, or non-violence, as the supreme principle. Mahavira's teachings gained a large following. He's considered to be the founder of modern Jainism. Jainism divides the universe into 2 eternal categories, jiva and ajiva. Jiva refers to the soul, the conscious and living substance. It is characterized by consciousness, perception, and knowledge. Ajiva, on the other hand, encompasses all non-living substances. This includes matter, space, time, and motion. Central to Jainism is the concept of the Triratna, or the 3 jewels. These are right faith, right knowledge, and right conduct. Right faith involves complete belief in the teachings of the Tirthankaras. Right knowledge implies understanding the true nature of reality, including the principles of jiva and ajiva. Right conduct refers to living a life in accordance with the 5 ethical principles: non-violence, truthfulness, non-stealing, celibacy, and non-attachment. Jainism emphasizes that these 3 jewels must be practiced together to achieve liberation.